Many of us have our daily health habits like showering, brushing your teeth after meals, and also making our beds. But some experts say you may want to rethink that routine.
Well, Dr. John Whyte is the Chief Medical Officer of WebMD, and he joins us with some good insight this morning. Doctor, we want to get started by asking you, let's talk about daily showers. We were just talking about that. Okay. Is it possible to over clean your body?
Absolutely. You know, the skin is our biggest organ. It protects us from bacteria and viruses. And when you take a shower too often, I'm going to tell you, if you take it too hot, you're going to dry out your skin. And that gets rid of those natural oils, which often are a barrier. So the reality is, you probably don't need to take a shower every day.
What?
4 times a week.
What?
Probably works.
Oh my gosh. I was telling Chris, doctor, that I take 2 a day. So I'm really overdoing it.
You're over it now. You know, if someone was out playing, you know, basketball or getting all sweaty, clearly you take a shower.
You're playing basketball, right?
Right,
Yeah,
right. You bet.
People are drying out their skin, and then we start to see more skin infections and rashes. And that's probably what's going on. Too hot and too often.
Oh,
Does it help, like, if you moisturize? Let's say you continue taking those showers. If you moisturize, can that help a little bit?
No. You're still trying to get in those multiple showers a day. Yeah. So, yes.
All right, so one of the days, just take a day
I'll
off.
cut back.
All right, so let's talk about brushing your teeth. This is something we do multiple times a day. So should you grab your toothbrush right after you eat?
Yeah, and I don't want people to misinterpret this, because you do have to brush your teeth several times a day. We know that dental health is actually related to heart health. What you don't want to do is brush your teeth right after you may have drank coffee or drank soda or eat an acidic meal, a spicy type of food, because what's happening there is it softens your enamel, that acid. And then when you brush your teeth, you're actually scrubbing some of that enamel off. So what we say is wait an hour. Doesn't mean don't brush your teeth that day. It means wait a little bit of time, typically 60 minutes, to brush your teeth after a spicy meal or an acidic meal or that coffee or soda.
Oh my God, this is such good information. Doc, I'm doing everything you're telling us not to do, basically.
Right.
So I'm not doing too well.
I hope you're taking notes.
I am, most definitely. Okay, so we want to move on to this question. We're talking about making the bed,
Did you make the bed this morning?
Never.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about making the bed. We don't all do this every day, like myself. So explain to us why this is such a good thing to do.
I'm going to tell you, I didn't make my bed this morning.
What did he say? Oh, you didn't either. I didn't either. Huh?
Yeah. But, you know, people are going to get a little grossed out, but there are millions of dust mites in our bed. And they're actually feeding off our dead skin cells, excrements that we had from our body. And what they like is a dark, moist area. And what happens when you make your bed? You make it all tight, right? There's layer after layer. You got your comforter, you got all your other things on it. And that's actually creating a breeding ground for some of these bacteria. So what I tell people is you want to expose it to the air. You want to dry it out, because that's going to kill those dust mites. Also, you need to wash your sheets typically once a week. Sometimes people don't do it for weeks or months at a time. It's really every week. So you don't need to make it every day. I know some moms and dads aren't going to like hearing that.
Once a week's doable.
Once a week's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about calories now. Everyone says watch the calories. So do we really need a calorie count on a daily basis?
You know, I don't count calories, and most patients I have don't either, because typically it doesn't work. I focus on the quality of calories. If you're focused on the number, you know, a calorie is not a calorie. It's different from a banana versus, you know, a piece of candy. And it's better to focus on getting those quality meals, making sure you're eating fruits and vegetables. Sometimes when people count calories, they rely upon processed foods, because then you can look on the packaging real quick, like, oh, how many calories is this? I'd say get the focus on eating that quality food instead of making sure you have a, you know, you don't exceed a certain number. It can work for some people, but that's not how most of us live in terms of counting calories.
Yeah, I think a lot of us are just too busy to be sitting there counting all these calories, right? Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
Such interesting information. I've learned a lot from you, Dr. Whyte.
I have too.
I think you're doing okay, though. You guys can always call me.
She takes 2 showers a
Check out
day. That's
something.
not okay.
See, that balances out not making my bed. I don't know.
There you
I
go.
don't know.
Well, Dr. Hay, thank you so much. We appreciate it. All right, so let's go to